Hey Lena, nice jacket. Is it new?
Thanks, Chris. Yes, it is. I bought it last week. It was on sale.
Nice. How much was it?
It was $50. Not bad, right?
Not at all. I like it. So today I thought we could talk about how to ask about prices and places in town.
Great idea. Let's start with prices. So, we usually ask, how much is it for one item? And how much are they for more than one item?
Exactly. So, how much is this coat? How much are these jeans?
Yes. And remember, we use the verb to be. It is $20. They are $65. We often say it's or they're for short.
Right. And sometimes we use the verb cost. Like, this coat costs $50. Those shoes cost $100.
Exactly. Let's practice with some clothes vocabulary. What do you call this?
That's a skirt.
And what about these?
Those are tennis shoes.
Nice. Let's go through a few more clothes. Suit, dress, coat, blazer, jacket, hat, gloves, shoes, tennis shoes, jeans and shirt, blouse and t-shirt, mini skirt, shorts, socks, nylons and pantyhose, tie.
Great list. Now let's talk about places you go to buy or use things. We use the preposition at to talk about being in a place. For example, I'm at the pharmacy. He's at the barber shop. She's at the post office.
Yes, and here are more examples. At the library, you can read or study. At the restaurant, you can eat. The post office, you can send letters. At the pharmacy, you can buy medicine. At the beauty salon, you can get your hair done. At the bookstore, you can buy books. At the church, you can pray or attend a service. At the jewelry store, you can buy ring and necklaces. At the bakery, you can buy bread and cakes. At the bank, you can deposit money. At the laundromat, you can wash your clothes.
Let's use them in questions and answers. Where is Sarah? She's at the beauty salon.
Perfect. Let's do another. Where are you going? I'm going to the pharmacy.
Now let's change the topic a little. Let's talk about personal questions.
Yes, these are useful when we want to get to know someone. Like, what's your name? My name is Lena. When is your birthday? It's in October. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What's your favorite color? Blue. How are you today? I'm good, thanks.
Let's try them in a little conversation. What's your name?
My name is Lena.
When is your birthday?
It's on October 3rd.
How old are you?
I'm 25. And you?
I'm 28.
What's your favorite color?
Green.
How are you today?
I'm great, especially with this coffee. That was fun. We covered so much today. Clothes and prices, places and what to do there. Using at, asking and answering personal questions.
Yes. And we used verbs like to be, cost, and useful question words.
Let's ask our viewers, what's your favorite store or place to go in your town? And how much do your favorite shoes cost? Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend who's learning English.
See you next time on Cozy English Club.
Keep sipping.
And keep speaking.